good day everyone. This is Grace Marbolado, a BE2 Batch 5 student of Philippine Advent College. Today, I'm going to demonstrate. My topic is all about identifying proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. So everybody please stand up for the opening prayer. Jisa, can you lead the prayer? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, class. How are you? Okay, very good. Since you are fine, let us sing. Do you know a song, Little Hands? Okay, very good. Let us sing. Okay. Okay, very good. You may now sit down. Sit properly, okay? But before we will start, we will have an agreement. What will you do if somebody is talking in front? Okay, very good. You will listen attentively. What about if there will be an activity? What will you do? Okay, very good. Participate actively. Those who will listen attentively and participate actively will receive a prize at the end of the class. Okay? Okay, eyes here in front. So, I have here a different types of shapes. So, in number 1 picture, it is, what shape is this? It is okay, very good, it is a square. So, how many squares do we have? Okay, very good. There are 2 squares. In the first square, it is not divided. And the second square is, okay, very good, it is divided. So as you can see, in the first square, it is not divided. That's why we have here a number 1 as a whole number. And the second square is divided. Our numerator is, you count the shaded form. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3. That's why we have our denominator, our numerators, 3. And for our denominators, we counted all. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's why we have our denominators number 4. So, in the second picture, what shape do we have? Okay, very good. It is a heart. So, how many hearts do we have? Okay, very good. There are 4 hearts. So, in our numerators, we count the hearts in a small box. And our denominator is, we count it all. Okay? How many hearts do we have in a small box? 1, 2. Okay, very good. There are 2 hearts in a small box. That's why our numerator is number 2. And for our denominators, we count it all. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that's why we have 4 is our denominators. And the last picture is, what shape is this? Okay, very good. It's a circle. So, how many circles do we have? Okay, very good. There are 3. So, in our numerators, let's count the shaded part of a circle. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, our numerator is number 8. And for our denominators is, we count it all. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for our denominators, we counted all. So how many circles do we have? Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's why we have our denominators number 3. So what can you say in the first fraction, Marian? Okay, very good. It is a mixed number. It has a whole number and a fraction. How about in the second fraction, Jason? Okay, very good. It is a proper fraction. How about the third? Jan.
Sige na.
The third fraction, Johnny. Okay, very good. It is improper fraction. So, meaning to say, it is more than, okay, class, if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, it is called an improper fraction. Have the pupils read and understand the situation? Okay, very good. So, I read the situation. So, one Saturday morning, Albert accompanied his mother to the market to buy ingredients for their dish. They bought 3/4 kilograms of carrots, 5/4 kilograms of chicken, 1 3/4 kilograms of potatoes. Albert carried all in going home. So what ingredients did Albert and his mother buy? Jamaila. Okay, very good. She bought 3/4 kilograms of carrots, 5/4 kilograms of chicken, and 1 3/4 kilograms of potatoes. So, what do you think is Albert's mother going to cook? Jason. Okay, very good. She cooked chicken with potatoes. What kind of boy is Albert? Jessa. Okay, very good. He is a helpful. Will you do the same with your mother, class? Okay, very good. Class, being helpful is make your parents proud and happy even to other people. So, children, we should be helpful at all times. Okay, this time, we will group you into 3. All you have to do is to illustrate the fractions used in the problem and identify the kinds of fractions shown. I will give you 2 minutes to answer. So, I have here a fraction. All you have to do is identify it. What fraction is this? So, okay, you may answer now. I will give you 2 minutes. Are you done? Okay, group 1, report your output. Okay, very good. 3/4 kilograms is less than 1 whole. Group 2. Okay, very good. 5/4 kilogram is more than 1 whole. How about group 3? Okay, very good. 1 3/4 is a combination of 1 whole and a part of a whole. So what can you say about the first fraction? Okay, very good. As you can see, 3/4 kilograms, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 3/5. 1/4, 15/30, 3/8, and etc. So, this is a proper fraction. Remember class, a proper fraction is whose numerator is less than the denominator. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay class? Understand? Okay, very good. So let's proceed. The improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is bigger than the denominator. It is more than 1. For example, 7/2, 5/3, 10/5, and etc. So, when we say improper fraction, just remember that the improper fraction is whose numerator is bigger than the denominator. So, here in our example, 7/2, our numerator here is number 7. And our denominator is 2. So, that's why it is more than 1 because 7 is bigger than 2. Okay, understand class? Okay, very good. Proceed to the mixed number. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 1 and 3/4, 2 and 1/4, 5 and 1/3. So, our number 1 here in example 1 and 3/4, the number 1 here is the whole number and the 3/4 is a fraction. So, okay, let's do a recap. So, what is a proper fraction? Jason? Okay, very good. A proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. Give an example, Jisa. Okay, very good. What is an improper fraction, Jamaila? Okay, very good. An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is bigger than the denominator. Give an example. Floor. Okay, very good. So, how about the mixed number? What is the mixed number? Mary Jane. Okay, very good. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For valuing, how will you identify the proper fraction, improper fraction, and the mixed number, Jamaila? Okay, very good. So, class, if the numerator is less than the denominator, it is called the proper fraction. If the numerator is bigger than the denominator, it is called the improper fraction. Okay, very good. So, if a combination of a whole number and a fraction, it is called a mixed number. Okay, class? Understand? You understand the lesson, class? Okay, very good. So, now, we will go to the application. So, direction. Write P if the given is proper fraction and I if it is an improper fraction and in if it is an a mixed number. So, okay class, get one whole sheet of paper and I will give you 5 minutes to answer this. Okay, are you done? At the back of your paper, number 1, give 3 examples of improper fraction. Number 2, give 3 examples of an improper fraction. Number 3, give another 3 examples of a mixed number. Are you done? Pass your paper. In a count of 5, your paper must be here in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Let's proceed to the assignment. So, get your notebook and write the problem. I will dictate. A meat vendor sells 5½ kilograms of meat to Mary Chris, 7/2 to Glissy, and 3/4 kilograms to Jim. Which fraction is an improper, proper fraction, and mixed number? A meat vendor sells 5½ kilograms of meat to Mary Chris, 7/2 to Glissy, and 3/4 kilograms to Jim. Which fraction is an improper fraction, proper fraction, and mixed number? Okay class, if you're done writing, you may now dismiss and take your recess. Okay class, goodbye.